Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you again today. Just like last week, we're going to start with rhyming. I'll say the two words, I want you to repeat the two words, and then you'll give me a thumbs up and say yes, they rhyme, or you'll give me a thumbs down and say no, they do not. Here we go. Mat, cat. Those rhyme. Gum, can. Those do not rhyme. Wet, jet. Those are rhyming. Mad, dad. Those are rhyming also. Hot, cup. Not rhyming. Bad, not. Also not rhyming. Red, bed. Rhyming. Zip, lip. Rhyming. Fit, tub. Not rhyming. Yum, gum. Rhyming. Good job. Okay, now we're going to say, I'll say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to be listening for the beginning sound, and then we'll say that together, okay? Here we go. Cup. K. Food. F. Home. H. Key. K. Man. Pet. P. Ride. R. Tag. T. Watch. W. Zoom. Z. Good. Okay, now we're going to do some blending words. I will say the two smaller words, you'll repeat them, and then we'll put them together in a compound word. Here we go. Apple sauce. Applesauce. Backbone. Backbone. Footprint. Footprint. Campfire. Campfire. Seaweed. Seaweed. Sunflower. Sunflower. Beehive. Beehive. Doll house. Dollhouse. Without. Without. Eyesight. Eyesight. Good work. Do you feel like you're getting the hang of these? Are you feeling more confident with them? I hope so. Now we're going to listen for ending sounds. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then together we'll say the sound that we hear at the end. Here we go. Keep. P. Vase. S. Not. T. Does. Z. Knob. B. That was a little bit of a tricky one. Got to listen carefully. Cold. D. Self. F. Bag. G. Page. J. Take. K. Okay, so when I was talking about the word knob, we're talking about like a doorknob. When we are talking, sometimes you don't hear that ending sound. So if I'm just talking about a doorknob, like I just said right there, you don't hear the B sound as clearly. So this is why it's super important that after I say the word, you repeat the word out loud, okay? That's part of why we do this. Okay, let's do some word segmenting. So I will clap the compound word, you'll repeat me, and then we'll break it into the smaller words. Here we go. Girlfriend. Girl, friend. Beanbag. Bean, bag. Sandbox. Sand, box. Oatmeal. Oat, meal. Milkshake. Milk, shake. I love milkshakes. Popcorn. Pop, corn. Myself. My, self. Overnight. Over, night. Washcloth. Wash, cloth. Doorway. Door, way. Excellent. Okay, let's do some word substitution. So I will say a word, you'll repeat the word, and this time we're going to replace the beginning part of the word to make a new word. Whole new word. Here we go. The word is headache. Change head to ear. Earache. The word is Sunday. Change sun to birth. Birthday. The word is anytime. Change any to bed. Bedtime. The word is outdoors. Change out to in. Indoors. The word is notebook. Change note to cook. Cookbook. Good job. Okay, we're almost done. Just a couple more exercises left. Okay, we're going to do some word addition. So we'll start with one word and then we'll add another to the end to see what else we can make. Here we go. The word is bed. Add time to the end. Bedtime. The word is bath. Add room to the end. Bathroom. The word is base. Add ball to the end. Baseball. The word is fire. Add man to the end. Fireman. The word is birth. Add day to the end. Birthday. Good job. Okay, now for the word deletion. So we'll start with the word and then we'll remove the ending part to see what we're left with. Here we go. The word is snowball. Without ball, the word is snow. The word is every day. Without day, the word is every. The word is rainbow. Without bow, the word is rain. The word is anytime. Without time, the word is any. The word is bedroom. Without room, the word is bed. Good job. Okay, last exercise. We're going to count the words in a sentence. Okay, here we go. The dog is brown. That was 4. Can you find me? That was 4 also. She was not in school. That was 5. I am happy. That was 3. She walked home. That was 3 also. The ball got kicked far. Five. The soup was hot. And that was 4. Good job. Remember, these are important exercises because they're going to help us be able to hear the sounds in words and identify sounds, count syllables, hear rhyming words. They're going to help to make us better readers and better writers. Thanks for practicing, friends.